altcoins. Which ones am I buying and accumulating? You guys know that I generally only trade Bitcoin, but I do accumulate a certain amount of altcoins. I generally only trade them to accumulate more Bitcoin, Ethereum, and my third largest holding is Chainlink. I've been in Chainlink since 2020. I got in on the COVID crash. I thought I had missed the boat on this coin. It was up at like $5, went all the way down sub $2. That's when I started accumulating. And hats off to a former partner of mine that pushed me to accumulate this coin because I wasn't going to. So it wasn't even something that I did on my own. I had to be told to do it, and I'm glad I did because it ran up to like $50. So I'm finally accumulating it again, and I'm looking into this box, and we'll go over this box right here, the must-hold box. Okay, so a little doomsday box there. Also some really key levels that were coming in on the high time frame. So for me, this was a buy, right? So we are now on the Chainlink chart. There's your timing. There's the pattern as it has played out. It did not quite hit all the targets. It came up like $1 short, but this is pretty close, good enough. And so now we need to see the pattern confirm itself and get back in this range. We would love to see it regain this box right here. This would be a pretty good sign of strength, but I think we have signs before that. So this box is at $20.82. I think 19 is about what I'm looking for, which gets us back into this range. Excuse me, gets us back into this range, and then we can target up into this $26 to $27 region in the point of control. This is a shark pattern. It is a bullish reversal pattern. It's a fairly large one. Anything below $9.30 and we have problems, right? So I've been accumulating anywhere from $15.50 down to $9.30. If we lose those levels, probably looking to cut that whole price tag in half. I just don't think it's relevant to talk about right now, though. Let's switch it up to the other chart. I do have to use the USD version for this because that was USDT. It's just that is relevant for me on the time point of controls and point of controls I just showed you. I just don't have access to the USD version for some reason inside of that software that I use to get those. So it's just a pain in the ass. But yeah, so this is the chart that you saw in the Discord chat there. And this is the range we were looking to accumulate within. Okay, so this is your must hold. You can see you've come down, tap the EQ of your lower half of the fork here. This fork is not based on any pivot points. It is actually based on time, something that I do myself. So this has been a really good one, and you can see how well respected we are right here on the EQ of it. So what I'm looking to do is break back above $19.51, and you can see that's actually our last rejection point. Confirm this as a local low. I have accumulating positions here, and from there we would be targeting $28.12 according to this chart. On the last chart you saw, just based on volume alone, we are targeting $26.40 to $26.80, give or take. So we're looking between $26 and $28, maybe even higher. We know that anytime we are above this $19.51 level right here, where do we go? We go to almost $30, right? So if we get back above this box, I'm looking to take Chainlink back up to $30, maybe higher depending on market conditions. We have to evaluate when that time comes. But yeah, this is one I've been buying. Setup is playing out. Might as well make a video about it. Chainlink is a great coin. As far as chart goes, I do love the chart on Chainlink long term. I know that it's in obviously a downtrend right now, but this is the time for me that I've decided to start accumulating again, and I have not been buying this coin since all the way back over here. So I've only been taking some profits and hanging on to it because my position being sub $2 for me is one of those where I have the luxury, I guess, of saying, you know, I was early enough that I can hang on to it. Not everyone's going to get to say that. So if you guys are curious on where I'm looking to buy or just curious on if it's a good buy, well, to me, anything underneath $15.50 down to $9 has been the place to be accumulating. That's what we told the Discord. That was back in January when we moved over to Discord, but we'd also were in Telegram before that, and I believe I was telling people that all the way basically through January and December, that this is the area that I'm interested in. So yeah, Chainlink, guys, that is one that I've been buying. The other ones I've been buying, I'll show you guys charts on Crow, QNT, Polkadot, and then I did do a little bit of trading on VeChain just because my VeChain targets did hit. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed this. If you guys want to learn how I use some of these tools, learn how to use volume profile, time points of control, order flow, things like that to determine where you guys are going to be taking your entries for both high time frames or day trading. Link for the Discord is in the bio. And as always, I do trade this coin. If I am going to trade this coin, I'm going to trade it on Bybit. There is a bonus going on for that for the month of April as well, released early. So check out those links, support the channel. Otherwise, just follow, like, comment, share. That is good enough for me. And I will catch you guys in the next update.